Alright, on our way to work. First time riding to work this year, or this season. A little chilly, I think it's like 40 degrees out. So, I'm all in my office attire, so that's cool. We're gonna take the little bit of the back roads, I think. Maybe. Might be a little slower, but a little warmer. Maybe. There's a cop up there, so we'll see. Oh, we gotta fucking slow down because kids are too stupid not to run out into the goddamn road. It's like, you're in fucking high school. I think you should know better than not to run out into the road. Why do we need to slow down? Because you're stupid? Nah, fuck that. I say natural selection. That's what I think. If you're dumb enough to run out into the middle of the road in traffic and you're in high school, I don't want you populating the planet. I don't want you reproducing. So I guess the weather today is supposed to be like fairly decent in the afternoon, but right now it's kind of shitty. It's fucking cold and raining a little bit. I'm in my work clothes, but the great thing about water, I guess, and rain is it dries, right? Back of that Honda Ridgeline says Rowdy Redhead. I wonder if it's true. Oh, you suck, sir. So this audio is kind of a test. I did a little bit of soldering yesterday on my mic that's being piped into the GoPro. The mic I had was like seriously like 20 feet long, I swear. Honestly, it was probably more like 8 or something, 10 maybe. But regardless, it was fucking long as hell. So I cut that bitch up and soldered it back together and shortened it a little bit. So I'm kind of curious to see how it works. That's right, scooter time. Woo. Old lady on a scooter. Isn't it pretty? There's a dog taking a shit. You better pick up that poop. That's right. It's lunchtime, it's lunchtime. And I'm spending my lunch going to get some gas because it's lunchtime. The fuck are you doing? Well, we'll go here in the hopes that maybe someone will get done over there on the right and we can sneak in there. I think that sounds like a good plan. Oh, here we go. What's gonna happen? To the right, to the right. All the bikers to the right. Come on, little one. Come on. Come on. That's right. Let's go get some food. Let's go get some food. And let's go get some. Let's go get some. Let's go get some food. Food. Look at this guy. What's he riding in? Track pants and a 3/4 face helmet. Seatbelt exempt. Something tells me you're not? That sticker says on that guy's truck, seatbelt exempt. I think we're going to take the fun road. Le fun road? Oui, oui. Le fun road? Always gotta ruin my fun. This guy in front of me is texting on his phone. Fucking hang up the goddamn phone, you retard. Well, this was gonna be the fun road until this fuckstick got in my way. (683) DFK. Texting while driving. Yeah, that's a 683 Delta Foxtrot Kilo. Alright, which way are you gonna go, dude? Oh my god, what a fucking day. So it's after work now. I don't know if you can tell, but the sun is in a totally different position. And I'm on my way home. Hallelujah. For you folks. I know you don't probably care, but I do, because it's time to go home and drink some beer. Drink some beer. Drinking beer. Drink some beer. Oh, look at the river and the blue sky and people on their bikes. People on their bikes. Hop, 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 hop. People don't know how to use a four-way stop. Oh my goodness gracious, oh me, oh my. So, how was your guys' day, huh? Hope it was as good as mine. I hope it was better than mine. Scratch that. I was being sarcastic if you couldn't tell. I need to get a new helmet. What's the wave with this guy? Hey, alright. And so yeah, I hope your guys' day was better than mine. I hope it was great. Because that's the kind of guy. I'm so fucking nice. I hope you had an amazing day. I hope you made a ton of money. Got to go ride your favoriteest, greatest bike in the world. Just absolute amazement. That's what I hope your day was. Any day would be awesome. Anyway, I'm almost home, so give me a subscribe. Check me out. Catch you guys later. And I hope you guys have a terrific night, afternoon, or evening, or night, afternoon, morning, evening, all that good shit. So yeah, check it out, give me a subscribe, and we'll see you guys later. See ya! Stumbled onto a massive goddamn bum camp. Maybe I'll get stabbed by a crazy bum. Pile of blankets, like